Hello everyone, welcome to another very exciting video. Today in this video, I will show you how to use Google Vids in Google Workspace. Now, as you know, Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation for work. This is something that Google hasn't yet released fully. As you can see, it's coming soon to Gemini for Google Workspace. But basically, as you can see, how can I get access? As you can see, they're currently testing this in new application with a select group of trusted testers in Google Workspace Labs. So you have two options. You have option one to wait, or option two to go to Google Workspace Labs and sign up for Google Workspace Labs. Here you can basically go and you can test out new features. Now, as you can see, this tool will be available soon for everybody. It's not yet available, but how this is going to work, if we play the video here, and if I just mute this, this is how it's going to look like, right? You will have new, you would be able to go to Google Vids, and then you would be able to generate a lot of different things with video. So basically you would just go here, new, more, and then here you would have Google Vids, which right now it's not yet available for everyone. But as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You would also have research analysts and stuff like that. Obviously, this is just a tip of the iceberg of what you would be able to do. But just wanted to create this video because this video is going to be very useful for those of you who want to get started with Google Vids. Again, Google Vids is not yet available fully for everyone. Again, if you want to go and get the access to it, you have Google Workspace Labs right here, so you can upload or not upload, but you can go and access Google Vids through Google Workspace Labs. So that's pretty much how to do it. Again, it's very limited to most people right now. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.